If you want to check a Steam game release date quickly and accurately, this guide is going to make it super easy. In today's video, I'll show you the fastest way to find upcoming Steam release dates, recent release information, and game-specific date details using SteamDB. This is especially useful if you want to keep track of new launches, plan your wishlist, or just stay updated on when a game is coming out. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to SteamDB's Release Calendar. This is the best place to check Steam game release dates because it gives you a much clearer overview than a normal Steam store page. Once the page loads, you'll see a calendar and list-style view of upcoming game releases. This makes it easy to browse through what's coming out and when. Now, if you already know the game you're looking for, you don't need to scroll manually. Just use the search bar at the top of the page, type in the name of the game, and SteamDB will help you narrow it down quickly. This is the fastest option if you're checking one specific title and want to avoid searching through multiple pages. If you don't have a specific game in mind, you can simply scroll through the release calendar and browse games by date. This is a great way to discover upcoming releases you may not have seen yet. You can also switch between months at the top of the calendar, which helps if you want to look further ahead or check earlier release windows. Once you find a game that interests you, click on the game name to open its SteamDB page. This page gives you more detailed information about the title, including release status and tracking details. On the game page, look for key information like the release date, upcoming release status, or recent release details. These labels help you understand whether the game is still scheduled, already out, or recently launched. One helpful thing to watch for is the color coding. Green dates usually mean upcoming releases, which makes it easier to spot games that have not launched yet. SteamDB also updates faster than many standard storefront pages, so if a game gets delayed or the release date changes, you may see that update sooner here. That's one of the biggest reasons people prefer SteamDB over using Steam alone. SteamDB gives you more detailed release tracking, a better upcoming calendar view, and quicker visibility into changes. If you follow a lot of games or you like staying ahead of launch dates, this is a really reliable tool to use. So to recap, open the SteamDB Release Calendar, browse by date, or use the search bar, click the game name, and then check the release information on the game's SteamDB page. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.